Next up on Magriza Mimi Cook.
Mina ngu-Craig Phakathi, ngihlala eLuveve, ngingudriver womchova, ochova Mbayiwa. Ngihambele eLuveve leKwabalanda, ngisiye eTown.
Mina igama lami ngu-Adas Moyo, ngogela uJova Mbayiwa, ngumthameli wakho. Ifijoti imoto yayigcina kakhulu esayisisebenzisa, yayisebenza sibili kuhle. Kulapho esaqalela khona futhi ukuthi imithetho yona leyi ingene.
Kule postline yaphuma PVC.
Hey, angazi kumbe ukuthi uthi kungami nje uthando lomsebenzi engiyenzayo. Ngaze ebe truckini, ngaze ebe semchoveni nje.
La ku-IG people are always asking me uthi are you that girl wayehamba lo baba ke ngetruck, and I'm like yeah, that's me. So kathesi lami I'm encouraging abanye ama-peers ami ukuthi mabe labo baba bangama-truck drivers, don't be ashamed of that. Hambe la uyekholisa, hambe Collenball.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.